You want to make some real money in the stock market, right? Think of it as a game where the smartest players who know the rules and strategies win the most. But what are these rules? How do some folks manage to keep winning and build their wealth? It's not just luck, it's about making the right moves at the right time. Interested in finding out how you can do this too? Let's dive into the top 10 ways people are turning their market moves into money. Ready to see how you can join them? Number 10. Diversified investments. You know how they say, don't put all your eggs in one basket. That's exactly what diversified investments are all about in the stock market. Imagine you've got a bit of everything from tech giants to retail moguls, spreading your risks so if one sector dips, another might be booming. This strategy isn't just playing it safe, it's playing it smart. The markets can be unpredictable, but diversification keeps you steady no matter the waves. Curious about how mixing it up can keep your investments growing? Number 9. Long-term equity investments. Now, let's talk about the long haul. Investing in equities for the long term is like planting a tree. You water it, give it time, and eventually, it can bloom into something substantial. Think about companies that everyone knows and trusts, ones that sell stuff we all use every day. These companies have stood the test of time, and investing in them isn't about quick wins, it's about steady growth. So, why rush when you can grow your wealth steadily and surely? Want to see how sticking it out with these tried and true stocks could work for you? Number 8. Value investing. Alright, let's shift gears and think about bargain hunting, but in the stock market. Value investing is like finding that awesome, underrated restaurant that only the locals know about. It's all about spotting companies that are undervalued by the market, but have solid fundamentals, strong earnings, reliable dividends, you name it. These stocks aren't the flashy names that make headlines, they're the steady performers that are often overlooked. But here's the kicker, when the market finally catches on to their real worth, their stock prices can soar, and so can your investment. Think of it as buying a piece of quality furniture at a garage sale price over time. Its value could significantly increase. Intrigued by how you can spot these hidden gems? Number 7. Growth stocks. Next up, let's talk about growth stocks. These are the high flyers, the companies that are expected to grow revenue and profits faster than the average business. Investing in these companies is like investing in the future. Think tech startups that are shaping how we work and play, or innovative biotech firms on the brink of breakthroughs. These stocks might be more volatile, they can give you a wild ride with big ups and downs, but the potential for high returns is considerable. It's not for the faint-hearted though. You've got to be ready to hang on tight and ride out the storms. But if you're game for a bit of adventure in your portfolio, the rewards could be impressive. Want to know more about how to pick the right growth stocks that might just skyrocket? Number 6. Dividend stocks. Let's dive into the world of dividend stocks, which is kind of like having a savings account that pays you better interest. Companies that pay dividends are sharing a piece of their profit pie with you, just for holding onto their stocks. It's like getting a thank you note in the form of cash just for being an investor. These companies are usually well-established and financially healthy. They generate enough profit not only to reinvest in their business, but also to reward their shareholders. Think about it, you invest in these stocks and they pay you back regularly. It's a smoother, less roller coaster-like ride in your investing journey. Tempted to add some steady income to your portfolio? Number 5. Active trading. Now, buckle up for active trading, where things get a bit more hands-on. This isn't your set it and forget it kind of investing. It's about jumping into the driver's seat and trading stocks more frequently, capitalizing on market movements. Whether it's day trading, where you buy and sell within the same day, or swing trading, where you hold stocks for a few days or weeks to catch the market swing. It's all about timing. Yes, it's riskier, and yes, it's more demanding. You need to keep a keen eye on the market's pulse. But for those who do it right, the potential for quick gains is tempting. Curious how you can master these moves and maybe make the market work in your favor? Number 4. ETFs and mutual funds. Think of ETFs, exchange-traded funds, and mutual funds as your investment team players, pooling money from many people to invest in a variety of stocks or bonds. This is like joining a sports league where the team effort helps everyone perform better. You don't need to pick individual winners because your fund is managed by professionals who choose a mix of stocks or bonds for you. It's a great way for beginners to get involved in the market without having to make all the decisions themselves. Plus, it spreads out your risk, which can make your investment journey a bit less bumpy. Intrigued by the idea of letting experts guide your investment strategy? Number 3. Options trading. Switching gears, let's talk about options trading, a strategy with a bit of spice. Options give you the right to buy or sell a stock at a predetermined price, offering the chance to profit from movements in stock prices without actually owning the stock. It's like having a reservation for a future purchase or sale. This strategy can be complex and isn't for everyone. You'll need to understand the market well and be ready for some risks, as options can offer high rewards but also come with the potential for losses. Curious about how playing with options might fit into your broader investment plan? Number 2. Sector rotation. Now, let's spin the wheel to sector rotation. It's like changing your outfit according to the season. You wouldn't wear a winter coat in summer, right? Similarly, in the stock market, you switch your investments based on economic cycles. For instance, you might invest in technology during a boom and switch to utilities when the economy cools down. This strategy relies on predicting which sectors will heat up next and shifting your investments before the crowd catches on. It requires a good understanding of economic indicators, but get it right, and it can be like catching the perfect wave at just the right moment. Interested in timing the market's shifts like a pro? Number 1. International markets. And then, there's the global stage. Investing in international markets. It's like expanding your business overseas. This move can open doors to high-growth economies like those in Asia or stable, mature markets in Europe. Different countries have different growth cycles, which can diversify your risk and increase potential returns. Yes, there are challenges like currency fluctuations and political risks, but the diversity and potential rewards can be worth it. Curious about taking your portfolio global and tapping into the worldwide potential? So, we've navigated through the top strategies for growing your wealth in the stock market, from diving into diversified investments to exploring the vast potential of international markets. Each approach offers unique advantages, whether you're looking to play it safe or spice things up with some high-stakes options. Remember, the stock market is a powerful tool for wealth generation, but it requires knowledge, strategy, and sometimes a bit of daring. What do you think? Which strategy resonates with your financial goals? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what strategies you're curious about or have used successfully. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content just like this. Your engagement helps us bring more great content your way. Ready to make your next smart market move? Let's make it happen.